Once, many animals lived together in a village.
But the lion was cruel and proud.
I am the strongest here!
Please stop!
You're mine!
We must stop the lion.
Let's have a meeting. The animals decided to drive the lion away.
He causes too much pain.
You must leave!
You cannot do this!
The lion was forced out and left alone. No one is here. The lion stayed sick and alone for many days. Without friends or kindness, the lion's life ended.
The village lived in peace and friendship forever. At last, all the animals lived happily and peacefully.
We live in friendship and kindness. Helping each other makes us strong.